Today's enablement teams are overwhelmed with small teams and shrinking budgets. More tools should mean better outcomes, yet teams are drowning in disconnection. The result? Critical content sits unused, training fails to stick, and sales teams default to what is familiar rather than what works. GTM Buddy transforms the way your teams work. Built for the AI era, GTM Buddy helps manage content, drive learning, reinforce them, and measure the real impact of enablement. GTM Buddy integrates into your team's existing workflow, making adoption painless and impact immediate. As a complete enablement platform, GTM Buddy helps transform your content into a revenue driver with 4 key pillars. Drive learning that sticks by creating structured learning paths. Build confidence with contextual reinforcement that turns knowledge into action. Close deals faster with real-time guidance that delivers the right content and messaging where you need it. Know what works with our in-depth analytics that connect enablement efforts to sales outcomes. Our native AI eliminates repetitive tasks, organizes content, and delivers insights that makes enablement teams significantly more effective. Teams using GTM Buddy achieve measurable business impact. Don't just take our word for it. Ready to make enablement your competitive edge? Visit gtmbuddy.ai today. Your reps and your revenue will thank you.